how to log in to Open University of Australia. So if you want to log into your Open University of Australia, then first open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Open University of Australia login. And once you've searched, here you will have sign in option under Open Universities Australia. You can click on that sign in and now it will take you to the sign in page. So to sign into your account, first you need to enter your email address on the first blank. But if you don't have an account, then you can simply go for create an account so that you can create an account with the Open Universities of Australia. But if you already have an account and if you want to sign in or log in, then enter your email and then enter your password. But if you don't remember your password, then you can go for forgot password so that you can reset or recover your password. And once you've done that, you can go back to the login page or sign in page and you can sign into your account. So enter your email and password and then click on sign in. And once you click on sign in, it will sign you into your account. So that's it. That's how you sign into your Open Universities of Australia. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.